Hi, awesome people. So it's actually day 6, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I did on day 5. So yesterday I got free. It was busy day at work as usual. So after my work is done, I actually just jump over and finish one of the to do of this project, and I thought to do the recording later. I just wrap up my office. So let's see what I did. So let me open to do. Okay. So there was one thing which was left about talks page. So I went ahead and I did a little bit of designing, and I found some old my speaker cards. It's not the good, but it's not so bad, to be honest. They are not clickable and the copy needs to be changed, but at least now I have a structure of this page, so that's a good, I would say, good progress. uh, my problem is I never get satisfied with the design, and right now I'm also not satisfied. I'm not happy. I can do a much better job, but as of now I really wanted to put this out. So yeah, so I finished my talks page. With respect of the content, still needs to be worked out. So if I will go here, so I did this and I did this. Now what is left is final content copy plus update. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a separate to do of content, and I'm gonna do it for talks. So this overall, if you will see, this is done, which is like amazing, I would say. So I will move this somewhere here. Yeah, it would be better to move here. Okay, I think this is also done. Tutorial page. Yeah, yeah, this is done. I don't know why I have put it here. This is amazing. This is also done. So I can remove it from here, and let me put it at the end. 9th. Done. This is the code work which I will do. Okay, so good. I'm pretty happy that I'm doing a good progress here. I think this YouTube thing is working very good for me, which is amazing. So now what's next? Um, Unfortunately, I have to still spend time on the design part. Um, when I say unfortunately, it means like doing designing, but it is not something I prefer to do every day, to be honest. Which is actually funny. I started my career as a designer, and I don't like it. Okay, fix the design of about us. Okay, let's go to the about us. Yes, I need to change this. Okay, so let's go to Figma. What I am thinking is let's do some brainstorming here. So this is my about page, for example. I have a image here, my photo. Let me change the color. So this would be my photo, for example. You know, I started my career with Photoshop, and I used to learn so many techniques and tricks and effects, because at that time Photoshop was not like as advanced as what we have today. Obviously, nothing is as advanced as what we have today. So we as a designer needs to learn a lot of different techniques on Photoshop to create effects, and it used to be fun. Okay, so if you see the if you are a designer Figma user and you are shouting there, oh no, this is not how you should be using Figma, so I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that I can have my photo and then my all social link like one by one. What how the alignment would be? It would be center line. Like for example, it would be X. Here I would have um, LinkedIn, and I will have dev2. First of all, they will be like smaller case. How the alignment would be, or shall I do it like this? Yeah, I think that would this would be better. Yeah. Oh, my most of the social handles are same, which is amazing. Minus GitHub. So I can have something like this, or I can play with center line. And then what I'm thinking is I can have I can divide the page into two columns. So this would be short and long, and I will give a copy one, and here I will give the download link of my image, and I can have that travel grid here somewhere here. And actually I have a lot of things to add. I have dev2 price, dev2 I got recognized twice, so I can put it here. Those two things. Then I can have the top mate feedback. I can have different things here. Okay, and if I will do this center line, okay, I'm not sure. So this is one design I'm thinking. The other design what I'm thinking, instead of dividing into two columns, I can have my long intro here and then short intro here, like this, short long. Then my grid, it will break the flow because then it would be not more so image heavy. Like let me try this, putting it here. And rest of the things will come here, and then my footer. Now my problem in this design is that the first half, the above the fold, will be just till here. So these social media are taking a lot of space. So if I will just make them in one line, move here, and I can move this here. So basically then, yeah, this would be better. Another idea I have is that I can start with a short intro, make it clickable so that long intro you can click and it will expand, so that at the first flow this will come. Yep. And then what I can also do is, if I will go with this planning, if I will go with this design, then I can have like this. Yeah. Okay, I'm still not sure which design to follow. So what I will do is I will definitely do this part. I will have short intro here, and then short intro for sure, and long intro for sure, separate. Give a copy functionality, have the travel pictures grid, and also have this. Once that is ready, then I will think about the design, that what to move, where to move. This is what I'm thinking to do. Okay, yeah, this sounds good. Okay, okay, so yeah, I think the design, I'm happy, pretty much happy with this. So this is these are the things which are left, and what I'm gonna do is, the design is ready, so I will say design in Figma, done, start coding. And in coding, what I need to do is, apart from coding, I need to do copy feature, image download feature, and travel picture grid, add achievements. Basically, I was a top author on def 2, twice, and different, all those things I will add. So yeah, these are the things I need to do. Okay, so again, you can see I started with a simple thing. Not simple, but it was a very high level, fix the design of about us, and now I have these many to dos to do. Now if you are someone who is who is very dedicated towards their side project, for them it could be a quick work to do. But for me, where I'm juggling 100 of things, for me these are the things I will pick one by one, and this is how I prefer to do. So what I'm gonna do next is, now I know how much work is required. I will try to do as much as I can offline, and then I will create another video where I will show you my progress, and if required, I will also do some coding, some changes, and I will record myself. So this would be day 6, yes. So day 5 and day 6, and I'm just left with one day because I took this as 7 days challenge, and what is left is responsive issues, add search or filter, time to read, and text to speech. These were, to be honest, was like my stretch goal. Responsive issues, yes, I need to fix them, but these can be fixed only once I'm done with all the pages. But let's see how many issues are there. So this is home, seems like fine. Let me do iPhone. Yeah, seems like fine. About fine, no scroll, tutorials, not bad, looking fine. Talks, okay, this is also fine, so not many issues. Let's go inside blog. Okay, this looks good, but I should have go to the top functionality here. That would be helpful. These are the external link, so fine. And these, yeah, okay, I think they are not much issues. It is coming fine, which is good. What I will do is, I will do a real device test also. This website is live, so I will do that. But here I don't see any issue. Oh, see, this is an issue. This is on iPad. Okay, I will fix it. And talks are coming like this. Okay, so this is the one issue we got. What is happening? Pro is working fine. Okay. Okay. And which else? Pixel. If you will see here, there is no space. It is actually touching. Yeah. Okay. Overall, it's not bad. It's fine. Perfect. Oh, one more thing I need to test. Okay. this logo is clickable or not. It is. Okay. So there are not much responsive issues, which is very good. So I can say good, not required as of now. Oh, amazing. Then we are left with add search or filter. Add search or filter. So this would be the my last feature hopefully for day 7, and then I will see what I will do next. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. This is a huge motivation for me actually, that record myself, push myself, held me accountable for doing stuff for this particular work. Otherwise, trust me, I wouldn't be doing it. These are the things which are very small, but generally most of the things which are small, or as people say that the last 20% is the hardest to push, that actually very true in my case. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.